You've seen your shadow when you're outside on a sunny day. The sun shines light on Earth, but your body blocks some of the rays and casts a shadow on the side opposite the sun. But did you know that you can use shadows to track the position of the sun and estimate the time of day? When we look up in the sky during the day, the sun appears to move from the horizon in the east, across the sky, and then sets in the west. From our observations here on Earth, it appears that the sun revolves around the Earth. But the opposite is true. Earth revolves around the sun, and it takes a whole year to complete one revolution. That means if your birthday is today and you're 10 years old, it will take 365 days for Earth to return to this point in its revolution around the sun. That's all the days between now and your 11th birthday. So, how do we account for one day and for what appears to be one trip of the sun across the sky? Earth also moves by turning on its axis. It takes 24 hours for Earth to make one complete rotation. Half of Earth is always in darkness, and half of Earth is always in light, facing the sun. Because Earth is turning, we move through sunlight and darkness once each day. Now, let's take a closer look at how your shadow provides evidence of Earth's rotation from morning to night. At daybreak, as Earth turns to the light, you see the sun appearing in the east of the horizon. Your shadow is very long and points west. Earth continues to spin, and your shadow gets shorter and shorter. At about noon, the sun is directly overhead, and you can barely see your shadow at all. After noon, your shadow begins to get longer again and points east. That's because now the sun is in the west. The day ends when the sun sets in the west. Do you want to review some of the vocabulary words before you continue? Now let's see if you can use shadows to estimate the time of day and the position of the sun. Where is the sun based on this tree's shadow? Click on west, overhead, or east. You've seen your shadow when you're outside on a sunny day. The sun shines